Welcome back to my channel. Now I'm gonna show you the 1974 International Scout. Here is the rear bench. And this is the front bench. Almost ready to go. Nice color paint. In this car, we did the two kind of material. One is vinyl, carbon fiber, and the other one is the alcantara. The inserts, we make a lot of modifications on the phone, so this way we change the whole style. So this is a brand new design for this particular car. Maybe in the future I'm gonna make another video when they sit inside, so you can see it, all kind of work that we do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so this way my channel can grow up more. Take care, guys.